This is beautiful. Hello guys, it is Sam. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, wow, have I had a stressful day. It took so much in me to get this phone. I did pre-order it, but there was like this whole problem with UPS, which I'll post in another vlog because that's not what you guys are here for. You guys are here for a iPhone 15 Pro unboxing. Finally got the phone. It's literally 8 p.m. at night. Please like this video and comment what phone you got because it'll really help me out, and I have had such a stressful day, but I wanted to film this video so badly, and of course we're gonna make it happen. With all that being said, let's start this unboxing because I'm so excited and waited so long, literally all day, to be able to do this. To cover my address here. Setup isn't the best, but we have to make it work because I just moved into an apartment, as you guys know, and this is literally the only setup I have right now. Okay, here's the phone. Oh my gosh, please look at it. So pretty, literally in love. This is what the box looks like. So I don't remember exactly. I think one of the boxes used to be black. I don't know what year that was. It may have been a while ago. Now this one is white. I got the 256 gigabyte iPhone 15 Pro in natural titanium, and let me tell you, I'm obsessed. Forgot actually to take a picture because I want to post it on my story. Let's get right into the unboxing and the setup. So as you guys know, first things first, let's do this. That was pretty satisfying. Oh, please look at this. This is beautiful. I'm literally obsessed. This color, oh my gosh. Okay, let's take her out. Oh my gosh. All right, as usual, we are going to start with the little box. So first things first, it comes with the Designed by Apple in California little pamphlet, and let's see what's in it. Usually it's just the iconic sticker and some information. So there's an information little pamphlet that I don't read, and then the iconic sticker that we gotta keep just for memories. Then the new thing about this one actually is this little wire. So the wire right off the bat is roped. I don't know if you guys can see well, but it is a rope, and it also is a USB-C rather than the old little cable, which I'll show you guys in a little bit. But first, let's unbox her. I never know if that part's satisfying, but this is what the little rope looks like. And then as you guys can see, it is kind of like the iPad charger now. I don't know why it doesn't come with a box, and that kind of stinks. I don't even know if I have a box that'll fit this because my charger is actually old iPad charger that works for my phone. So I don't even have a box, so I don't even know how I charge it, but I guess we'll figure that out another day. Let's get into the phone. Ready? I'm so excited. That was satisfying. That was good. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed. All right, so right off the bat, the number one thing I realize is this feels so much different than the iPhone 14 Pro, which is what I have now. It's a very nice material. I do really like it, but it feels so delicate and very, very light. I'm going to take my phone out of the little box just because it feels really different. So when I hold these up, this is the 14 Pro, this is the 15 Pro. They are about the same height. This one just feels a lot smoother. This one feels a lot more, not rough, but I hope you guys know what I mean. When I go like this feels a little more hollow than this one. Actually, they kind of sound the same, but they feel different. This one is definitely smoother and a lot lighter. I think that the actual width may be a little different. Let's put them side by side to show you guys. So this is the width of the two phones. I think that the 15 is just a tad smaller, and if it's not, then they did a really good job. Let's turn this on. I'm so excited. Yay! Oh my gosh, this is so satisfying. That's literally my favorite part of getting a new phone, turning it on, unboxing it. It's literally the best. We are going to wait for this to turn on and go through all the steps together, obviously, because I feel like we have to. Oh my gosh, that's so satisfying. All right, so they have this little screen now. I feel like that's different. I feel like it's always a little different whenever they do it, but I really like this little setup they have going on. Let's go into our phone. So what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna swipe up. Let's click English and United States. All right, so now the first thing I get is the appearance, which is choose the size of the text and icons on the phone. So they have default, they have medium, and then they have large. I think for me, I'm gonna do default. So let's just hit continue. Now it says quick start. So you can either set up with an old phone or set up without another device, which I'm gonna do set up without another device because I want it to be a completely new phone. I'm going to choose a Wi-Fi network. Oh gosh, I don't know my Wi-Fi. That might be a problem. Please hold. The good thing I do like about Apple and Wi-Fi now is that you can easily just go into your Wi-Fi and it'll tell you your Wi-Fi and the password, which makes it so much easier. Let me tell you, this password is really annoying, but let me type it in really quick. The only thing I don't like is that I literally have to just guess that I'm typing the right password. It doesn't give you the option to see what you're typing in. I'm joining the network now, and now it says that's the incorrect password. Great. I feel like this always happens too. Oh no. Usually it just pops up with the join sticker, but it's not doing that this time, and I don't know why. Not the join sticker, the like share sticker. Oh, I got it. Now it says it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone, so we are just waiting for that. I am so excited. I actually ordered a Wildflower case, which I guess we could talk about cases while I'm waiting. I really like Wildflower. I like Casetify. I like Amazon cases too, and I also really like Five Below cases. That actually was so fast. So now we're on software update. This says important, update your software now if you want to transfer your data directly from another iPhone. You could update it later if you plan to download from iCloud or set up your iPhone as a new device. So we're just gonna do update later. This is data and privacy. I really never read that. I don't know if I should. I just always hit continue. Then it says set up iPhone. You can set up this iPhone for yourself or somebody else, blah, blah, blah. So I'm gonna do set up for myself. Now we're gonna do Face ID. So let's set this up. This is always such an interesting process. Whoa, the Face ID thing isn't a circle anymore. It's like actually a square. Okay, so I'm gonna move my head in a circle. This is always so weird because I feel like I can never get the right angle of what it wants to see. And I'm always like guessing which way I need to go. You guys can't even see my phone. Now it comes up with use Face ID with a mask, but I am not going to do that. If I have to, I'll set it up later. It says Face ID is now set up. Now we're gonna create a password. Now it says transfer your apps and data. I'm gonna do don't transfer anything for now. Now we have to sign in with our Apple ID. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is what it looks like. The problem is I don't know my Apple ID. So we're gonna have to do some digging right now because I couldn't even tell you the email that I used for my Apple ID. Okay, now it's giving me a verification, so I'm gonna allow, and then I'm gonna do the little verification number. On my phone, I just have Face ID, so that's why I never know anything. We got it. Signing me in, hitting agree. Whoa, this is actually really cool. It's taking a little while, but going back to what I was saying about cases, I am so excited about the cases. I also have absolutely no idea how to get my number like switched over, but we'll figure that out eventually. Now it says make this your new iPhone, which I already said I want to do. Here's everything. Set up your phone as if you had it on your other phone, or you can just not do anything. So for apps, I did don't transfer anything. I'm just gonna hit continue. It says transfer your phone number, transfer from another iPhone. So transfer to this iPhone or set up later in settings, complete cellular setup later. I'm gonna do complete cellular later just because I need my phone to work for tomorrow because I'm going out and I can't have it not work. So I'm always scared to do it, especially when it's 8 p.m. at night and no one might be open, like Verizon isn't open. So we're just gonna set that up later. You can set up your eSIM later in cellular settings. This iPhone will not be able to make calls or connect to the internet with cellular data until eSIM is set up. Okay, that's fine. Now it wants me to add in my wallet, so I'm gonna do that. I have Apple Pay set up. I like how it just asks you to verify your card so you don't have to like type the whole thing in. I also like to download all my apps first because sometimes I need verification codes and then I don't get them and it's like really stressful. We're just gonna add this card later because I don't know that one. All right, so this says improve Siri and dictation. So this is help improve Siri and dictation by allowing Apple to store and review audio interactions with Siri. I'm gonna do not now because I don't really know what that means. Silent mode. You can toggle silent mode on and off or check its status in Control Center. Action button. Okay, so this is new. So this says press and hold to turn silent mode on and off. You can also customize the action button to open camera, turn on flashlight, or access a favorite iPhone feature. That is really cool. I'm gonna set that up later because I want to play around with the settings, but I think I'm gonna do camera since I literally always take pictures. Oops, said I'm gonna do it later and then I hit customize. Let's do not now. Welcome to iPhone. We did it, guys. I'm so excited. Let's swipe up. It's just this normal screen right here, if you guys can see, and there's just a lot of apps. I am going to do a whole what's on my iPhone video because I feel like those are so fun. I'm gonna customize it. I'm gonna get all my apps and everything like that. My overall impression of this phone is I automatically love it. I am obsessed with this color. Like I told you guys, had the 14 Pro in deep purple, and I really did like this one, but I wanted to get the neutral titanium, and I really like that. Obviously, that is the difference now that I'm saying it out loud. This is titanium. This one isn't, I don't believe, and I really, really like this. I would definitely recommend. The only other thing I want to do is test test out the cameras, but I don't really know how I would even show you. Actually, I do. I'm gonna turn the phones around and show you guys the difference, but I'm so excited. I think Apple did a really good job with this phone. I'll give you my in-depth opinion once I get a little more used to it and everything. This is the camera difference. I'm not really sure how to show it well, but I honestly don't see that much of a difference. I do know that this phone, which is the iPhone 15, is a lot more clearer when it comes to telephoto, which is for ultra wide photos and focus, but I will explain that in my other video. But this is off the bat the difference between the cameras, which I really don't see that much of a difference, but I know it's just like a little better quality. But with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, comment the Apple emoji, or if you got a new phone, what phone you got. And if you didn't get your new phone yet, tell me any stories that may have happened today, because I know I'm not the only one that went through something. I will be explaining that whole story in another vlog, but stay tuned for that. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you really soon in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone content. Bye.